Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money by sending emails. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around, and now let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So now, how do you make money by sending emails? So the very first thing is you have to build an audience, because without an audience it's going to be very hard to get any emails whatsoever. So I made a video about this about 5 minutes before I filmed this one, so it's probably yesterday's video if you're watching this today, or the day that this video comes out. But you have to build an audience first, and you should probably watch that other video, because if you're not doing this, you're getting everything upside down. So first you have to build an audience, whether it's on YouTube or a blog or Instagram, it doesn't really matter, but you have to find a way to capture emails from people that are actually interested in you. So if you know how to run ads, just by all means do that, but there's a good chance that you don't know how to run proper ads. And if that's not the case, before you do start doing that, you do need to start building free traffic, because if you don't do that, you're just going to lose money and then you will have nothing left to make anything else. So build an audience, make some YouTube videos, make blog posts every day, make Instagram posts 5 times a day. It doesn't matter. You have to find a way to actually create content, and you really need to have people that are interested in you. The best way to do this is creating content. Now, once you have that, you want to capture people's emails. So the best way to do this is giving them something away for free. So, for instance, an ebook. I always say this, but an ebook is probably the best way. You can recommend things, you can do all sorts of different things, but you have to give something away for free that doesn't cost you a lot of money. Because if it costs you money, it's going to be very hard to actually get your money back and then turn it into profit. So you give away something for free, whether it's an ebook, a recommendation, it doesn't matter. You use your mind, but do this. So to get that ebook, they're going to have to go on a landing page, because that's what you do. You create a landing page for them to enter the emails and maybe their name if you're interested in that. You don't have to use their names, but an email is something that you have to do. So you have their email now, and what you do is you send them whatever you were meant to send them for free, whether it's an ebook, recommend things, it doesn't matter. And now you have some affiliate link or whatever you have, whether it's affiliate or something else, but this channel is mostly about affiliate marketing, so I'm going to use this example, but if you have your own product, it works just as well. So what you do is, you don't want to send them straight to the sales page where the person just talks about whatever he's trying to sell, and because it's going to be very hard to convert anybody to do that, especially if it's an expensive product. So instead of that, what you do is you create what's called a bridge page. So a bridge page is what goes in between your landing page, which capture people's email, and the sales page from the company that you're not part of. You're just an affiliate for them. So in between that, you want to have a video, just like I'm doing now. You have a video which is going to talk about what the product is for, how it can help them, and just the basic benefits of it, because the sales page is going to talk about the benefits, but it's somebody that they don't know. So if you build your audience, people know your face, you're going to say this product does this or that, and then you send them to that landing page or that sales page, which will help people actually purchase whatever you're trying to sell. And that way it's going to convert way better than if you were just trying to make a sale and just send them straight to that sales page, because people don't know that person, they don't trust it. And if you just break the cycle of people like coming from your YouTube channel, your blog or whatever, and then landing straight to something that they don't know about, it's going to be way harder to actually make any conversions. So this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out. And this was my video for today. So I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.